Hello, today we are doing biology under what we call specialized cells. So we are presented with these three types of cells. Let's go and dive into the question. So we have cell A, cell B, and cell C. Remember, these are considered to be specialized cells. This simply means that they have their own specific what? Function. So let's go to question A, Roman numeral 1. We are saying identify cells A, B, and C. So identification of cells, this simply means that give or state their specific what? Names. So we are going to say question A, Roman numeral what? 1, cell A. We are saying this is a what? A nerve cell. It is a nerve cell or a neuron. So nerve cell, okay. Then we are saying cell B. Under cell B, this is a root hair what? Cell. It is a root hair what? Cell. Then cell C, this is a ciliated cell or ciliated cells. So these are ciliated what? Cells. Ciliated epithelial cells. So we are saying ciliated epithelial what? Cells. Normally they call them ciliated what? Cells. Okay, they are cells because we are able to see this nucleus and this nucleus and this nucleus. So these are what we call ciliated cells. Let's proceed to go to Roman numeral 2 of question A. State the part of the living organism where B and C is found. So if these are specialized cells, we want to know where can we find B and where can we find what? C. Let's proceed. So what are we saying? Roman numeral 2. Where can we find cell B and where can we find what? Cell C. So we know their specific names. So we are going to say cell B being a root hair cell. So we are saying cell B being what? A root hair cell. Okay, is found on the what? On the roots. So this one is found on the roots of a what? A plant. So cell what? Cell B. This is cell what? Cell B. Cell B is found on the roots of a what? A plant. That is where you can find this type of a specialized what? Cell. Let's go to cell C. Cell C, we said cell C, these are what we call ciliated what? Cells. So these are ciliated cells. So where can we find cell C? They are found in the what? In the lining what? Tract or respiratory what? Tract. To be specific, they can be found in the what? In the trachea. So they are found in the trachea, in the lining tract or the trachea. So we can find these ciliated what? Cells. They are found in the trachea or in the lining what? Tract. These ciliated cells. So we are done with question A of Roman numeral 1 and question A of Roman numeral 2. So now we need to understand their specific functions. We need to know what is the function of cell A, what is the function of cell B, what is the function of what? Cell C. So let's go and enjoy. So we are saying, allow me to erase the first question so that I can create space to give you the specific functions of these cells. Make sure that you pause the video. When you pause the video, you copy the question so that you can enjoy. Or now we are responding. So what is the function of cell A? Cell A, we said this is a nerve cell or a neuron. Remember, neurons, they are in charge of transmitting what? Electrical what? Impulses. So the function is what? Transmits. We are going to say transmits what? Electrical what? Impulses. Okay? Transmits electrical impulses. Okay? Transmits electrical impulses. This is the function of cell A. Let's go on cell B. A root hair cell. What is the function of the roots? Remember, they are in charge to do what? For absorption. So we are going to say for absorption. Okay? Absorption of what? for absorption of what? For absorption of what? Minerals, okay? Mineral salts, mineral what? Mineral salts, okay? For absorption of mineral salts, and what? And H2O, which is what? Water. So absorption of mineral salts and water. Then what is the function of ciliated cells? Ciliated cells, they are there to help you to clean the what? The respiratory what? Tract. So they do what? They trap. To trap. Okay, we are going to say to trap what? To trap what? Dust. So that it can be removed in form of what? Mucus. By doing so, we have responded to this part of our question in biology. Make sure you post the video, make sure you follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as be a friend on TikTok. Otherwise, stay blessed.